Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding unconditional. Human dignity is the same for all human beings. When I trample on the dignity of another, I am trampling on my own. As the ego knows only conditions, God knows no conditions. In this day and age, what could be more important than basic human rights and common decency towards each other? Mother Teresa once said, "Human rights are not a privilege conferred by government. They are every human being's entitlement by virtue of his humanity." Unconditional love is not based on the performance of the receiver, but the character of the giver. Until we have unconditional and unbiased love for all human beings, we will not find peace. So don't let anyone or anything pit you against your fellow man. Remember, with God, all things are possible. Enjoy the day.